Okay, hello everyone. In this section, we will talk about another common problem among many students. And the question is how to make only one part of the object transparent, not the whole object. Let's start from the first. When you open your OBJ or FBX, don't forget to bake mesh maps. And after that, you will go on shader setting, and in this part, instead of whatever is here, click on that and choose PBR Rough with Alpha Blending. After choosing this as your main shader, and then you will in texture get setting add in channels the opacity. For me, it's added here. If you couldn't see the opacity, just click on that and click on opacity. Now it's time to give a material to your object. In this moment, I just want this book to be in copper material. And this is instance. Of course, I won't give this material to the book. So I will add a black mask by right click on material and then again right click on black mask and add paint. And this part, I just need to click on 4, add this here, and click on Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here we will have another layer on top of it, the exact layer that we had through Ctrl C, Ctrl V is copied. And let's go to the main layer, the first layer, and in this part, I will click on the base material of your folder, and then here I will search for opacity option, which is here. I will click on it to make it visible, and then I will be sure that it's on 1, the opacity. Then I will close the first layer. I will go to the copied layer here. I will click on the folder and choose the base material. And this part, again, I will check if opacity is on. I will click on that, and this time make the opacity on 0. Now I can draw on this. And in this part, by putting it on 0, we can draw. And if you want to do vice versa, what you should do is just click on this. This time put opacity on 0 and put the copied layer opacity on 1. And this part, when you draw, only one part of it is transparent. And don't forget, many students make this part as a problem. Don't forget to put the grayscale of your paint on 0. Okay, so you can paint on it really easy. And again, by clicking on 4 and clicking on this and be on 1, when you click on your object, your whole object will be in color. And if you put the color on 0, if you do this, the whole object will get transparent. And don't forget something else. If you just want to, make your object transparent, but not completely, maybe you just want it to just let some light into it. You don't need to have this another layer here. For that, you just need to open your main layer, go in base material and change the opacity. You see, the whole object will get transparent, totally transparent, or just semi-transparent. It depends on you. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope that what I have mentioned in this lesson will be useful for your project. Have fun, and if you have any problem, you can ask me in comments, and you can ask even your questions. I will definitely answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for following. See you next session.